It's gone. It's gone. Oh, I've got it. I've got it. I've got it. Sorry. Come on the ground! Oh my God. Breaking news. Come on the Browns. It's a rock and roll lifestyle, but I try and keep my feet on the ground. It's 35 degrees in London, which is about 90 USA Fahrenheit terms.
Bruh.
I'm here with Matt Benton, another Browns fan. We're going to find out why he's a Browns fan. It's so hot, I'm thinking maybe I'm going to finally do that challenge where I do a chug of beer quicker than hopefully Aaron Rodgers. Maybe we do a barbecue, and maybe we do some kicking challenges. I've got no idea yet. We're just going to explore London, see what happens. Go Browns. Got the Jaeger bombs. Matt doesn't actually drink Jaeger. No, he drinks Jaeger, but not the Red Bull, so there we go. Cheers. So we're going to do the Aaron Rodgers challenge now. I reckon, like, if we drink that much in about 12 seconds, then we've completed the challenge. What do you reckon, yeah?
Yeah, doable.
Doable, no way I'm going to make that. I'll try anyway. But Matt, first of all, why are you a Browns fan?
So I've been a Browns fan for about 6-7 years now. First game I went to see in the US, in New York, was Giants-Browns, and basically stuck with it. They lost, unlike anymore, but the better team, so yeah, that's my team.
So have you ever seen the Browns win a game live?
I have not. No? This season, let's hope.
Yeah, you watched them in London as well?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so we lost that as well, okay. All right, cheers, so here we go. It's not a Jaeger bomb, I'm not really looking forward to this, but here we go, we're gonna give it a go. Start the clock, and let's see what we can do this in. Well, Matt's a lot better drinker than I am. Hopefully I'm better than Aaron Rodgers' time, but it's quite appalling for me actually, to be honest. So Matt's heard that my cooking's really bad, scared of my barbecue, and he's not going to join us on the barbecue challenge, but good seeing you, mate.
Yeah, cheers.
No worries, and
Enjoy.
Go Browns.
Go Browns.
Easy challenge. Punting over a taxi. It's gone. It's gone. Oh, I've got it. I've got it. I've got it. Sorry. Whoops. Never upset an English taxi driver. So looking for a barbecue stuff in the hot summer of London is really struggling. I reckon we're going to try 2 more shops. If we can't find anything, we call it a day. If not, I'll make some homemade burgers. How about that? And none of that American rubbish plastic cheese. We'll go for like some fresh English cheddar or some Gruyere from Switzerland. Jesus. Jesus knows. Love Jesus. Go Browns. Woof woof. In England, we've got all the same shop sweets as you in America. Look. From Charlie, 2 Jaeger bombs down. Charlie chocolates.
Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.
Willy Wonka's Charlie Chocolate Factory. You can buy Wonka bars here in London. £4, $5 for that. Waste of money.
Stop, don't come back.
Oh my God, I think I see the barbecues. It's the golden nectar, the char grilled charcoal dream that every guy dreams of. Here. Wow. I found my dream barbecue. It's the Weber. It's got everything I need. It's got a temperature gauge, a grill, let's take it home. So, what's on the menu tonight, Paul? NFL. Horrendous. Big shout out to Bobby Brown. No relation, but he is a Brown. I see my mates can get some burgers.
Yeah, you're gonna cook here, bro.
Sorry?
You're gonna cook?
Yeah, not here though. People are now requesting for me to cook on the streets of Oxford Street. I've got no food and health certificates, or I've got no burgers actually. I need to go and get some burgers. I'll tell you what though, it's hot and sweaty. I didn't realise how stressful it would be to get a burger. Maybe it's time for another beer. One thing you need when doing a barbecue is friends. So let's try and find some friends. Hey mate, it's Paul. Do you want to come to my house for a barbecue? I've got no friends, I'm on my own. I've just bought a new barbecue. Mate, all I want you to do is bring some burgers and some buns, and I'll get someone else to bring the beers. Keen? All right, awesome. See you, what, 15 minutes? Okay, cool. I've got one friend who's going to bring some burgers and some buns. Maybe bring his girlfriend. I'm not going to be on my own now. So this is the moment of truth. Will this barbecue fit onto the roof? Anything's possible if you try. In life, the only way is up. Oh, yeah, we've got a serious problem. It's not going to go up. Anyone that does health and safety, I apologise now. This is breaking all rules and regulations. But a man's got to do what a man's got to do. Yeah, I think we're in. Oh. Woohoo!
One eternity later.
The best thing about instructions is you can use it as lighting aid. So I haven't read the instructions, but I've got a rough idea what I'm doing. I think.
No.
Oh, burgers. We've got some friends.
Eu tô toda aqui.
Friends. There we go,
Eu
babe.
sei que vai ser pior.
Babe, just for you. You wanted beer, burger and a barbecue. You get everything you want. We've gone for the 2017 Melback. Very soft, ripe, black cherries, go very well with the beef. Bit chalky, but otherwise, bon avage. So there we go, 100 Fahrenheit, well 90 Fahrenheit US term, 35 degrees in London. This is what we do when it's sunny, barbecue. Kicking American footballs over taxis, meeting other Browns fans, drinking beer very fast, and doing a few Jaeger bombs. What more do you want? Come see us in London. P.S. I forgot the cheese. Go Browns.